How to send one-time view picture on WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to send one-time view picture on your WhatsApp chats. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp and then simply open up a chat where you want to send the one-time image. Now, once you open up the chat, what you could usually do is simply take an instant picture. So just tap on the camera icon right besides the voice. And now you can click an instant picture. So let me just click a picture right here. And once you've clicked your picture, you could just go ahead and tap on the one-time option right below the caption. Just tap on this, and now photo is set to view once. If you hold and long press on it, you will get the more information about this. What it does is once they view the picture and go back, the picture will be terminated and they won't be able to view it again. So once that is done, just tap on send. Now you've sent successfully a one-time view picture. If you want to send something from your gallery as a one-time view, tap on this clip icon and then attach a photo here. Tap on gallery. Now just select the image that you want to send, and if you want to send this as a view once, tap on this option and media is now set to view once. If you want to edit or add stickers, you could do that here as well. So let me just add the sticker right here, and then now just tap on send. And you have again successfully sent a view once photo from your gallery. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.